Ayun nga, ako si Princess Queenie B. Olaw. So in this vlog, I aim to capture the characteristics and qualities that I believe define an ideal teacher. So as a student, I have the opportunity to learn from a variety of educators. And through these experiences, I've developed a clear vision of the traits and behaviors that I feel are most impactful and valuable. So my first ideal teacher is, it has mastery on the topic. Second is, has an excellent communication and interpersonal skills to engage young students. Third is creativity and enthusiasm to make learning fun and interactive. Fourth is patience, empathy, and the ability to tailor instruction to diverse learning needs. Fourth is the organizational skills to effectively manage the classroom environment. And the fifth is had a passion for education and inspiring young minds. So that's it, what my ideal teacher is. So thank you guys for listening. So please like and comments to my YouTube channel. That's all. Mabuhay tayong lahat.